So now taking these code words, and all the scale is the numbers 1 through 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you want to learn to do some ear training, the easiest thing to do is to learn to sing. Thank you, by the way.
Yep.
Everybody out there in internet land. The thing to do is to just make up little patterns. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. I call that crocheting. I go up 3 and back 1 up. It's kind of like Russian history. 2 steps forward, 1 step. Another thing is 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6. Every other note. Or patterns like 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 1, and backwards. 1, 7, 1, 6, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 1. And the more patterns like that you sing out loud, the more ear training you're going to get. Eventually your voice, which is one memory location, and you saying the numbers, the text, another memory location, and your ear hearing the pitch, another memory location, and you feeling the interval, another memory location. You get 4 memories if you sing these patterns out loud. And what happens is eventually you'll hear sounds and you'll start hallucinating the numbers. Your ear will automatically become conscious. And the ear training is just built into the doing of it. The fastest way to develop this conscious ear training is to try to think of a song. Now most songs start on either the number 1, the number 3, or the number 5. So for instance, Angel, try starting Twinkle Star on the number 5 and see what happens if she tries to play Twinkle Star from 5. Sounds okay. So there's, try it from 1. Sounds the same. So Twinkle either starts on 5 or 1, we're not sure. Okay? Try it on 3. Well, we know it's not that. So what you'd have to do is experiment. Now, the first chord in the song is a 1 chord. So play a 1 chord and play it from 5. Keep the chord. Don't fit, does it? Now try the 1 chord and start it from 1. That's better. So chances are that song starts on 1. Okay? Try Mary Had a Little Lamb starting on 5. Right? Try Mary Had a Little Lamb starting from 1. Doesn't make it, does it? Try starting on 3. So the first thing you have to do is figure out, does the song start on 1, does it start on 3, or does it start on 5? And then once you get the beginning, the starting note, your ear can pretty much tell whether it's going up or down, and you can pretty much start finding the numbers. Now a really good way, again, to train your ear is to sing songs by number. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, right? Or 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 1, and so on and so forth. So what happens is your ear starts to get accustomed to these intervals. The next thing about reading music, besides these interval patterns, is the rhythm. And what we've done tonight is enough to be able to actually read music. So what I want to pass out here is a copy of a piece of music by Bach. And just two people we can share it with. Because we don't, this one I got a lot of, and we've already given this out to people. So kind of look over each other's shoulders if you can. You two guys back there.
Fugues. What are fugues?
Fugues are the most difficult, confusing music in the world to read and write. What a fugue is somebody starts a line and then a little bit later on someone copies that exact same line, and then later on someone does it again, and later on someone does it again, and they're offset, but they're all doing exactly the same line.
You kind of like row, row, row your boat.
Yeah, except the row, row, row your boat is basically a one-chord song, so everything's... But in a fugue, you could actually go out of the key and everybody could be in a completely different key, and you can have 4 keys going on simultaneously. If you write well, you'll make the lines jump through the right hoops, so that doesn't happen. So fugue writing is very hard, very hard. So now, you have a copy of it? All right, so now take a look at the top line. The top line is the melody line, and we already know enough code words to be able to read that. And Angel's going to play the piece, and I want you to follow along, and then she's going to play it again, and we're going to sing the code words along with her. But just watch, just play it.
Ready?
Yeah. Wait.
Wrong piece?
We have the
Bore.
Bore.
Oh. Well, you didn't tell me which one it was.
I said, not this piece. I got it.
I got that one.
You got this? I got it. Okay.
Okay.
Watch. Only just a melody. Now there is one thing, code word we talked about last time, which is there are some syncopated rhythms that come up if you compound code words, and they take 2 beats. An example is if I take drum, skip a syllable, and then add the last half of Tarzan, I get a thing called drum, zan, drum, zan, drum, zan, which is Tarzan, I'm sorry, which is basically, I wrote the wrong rhythm, which is basically this. It's a drum followed by a Tarzan. Drum, zan, drum, zan. And this is silent because it's tied into there. Drum, zan, drum, zan, drum, zan. And the way we would say it is drum, 2, zan, drum, 2, zan, drum, 2, zan, drum, 2, zan is the way we would say it. So you see what's happened here is they actually take this off, leaving this little flag here, and then they take that and they just move it over by putting a dot there to let us know that they've stolen that syllable. And it looks like this. So it's drum, 2, zan, drum, 2, zan, drum, 2, zan, drum, 2, drum, zan, drum, zan. Got it? Takes 2 beats to do that. So that's the only thing in here that's
Not a drum or a Tarzan.
That's not a drum or a Tarzan. Okay? So let's look at it closely and say it out loud together, starting from the very beginning along the top. And it goes, ready? Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum, Tarzan, Tarzan, Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum, Tarzan
drum, Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum, Tarzan drum.
Now folks, if Bach can just take Tarzan drum and write a whole damn song with it, so can you.